To begin with, Maye Casamafwa, Menda, a copy of Bra, 84, Omusufreno, a bedua bayan.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Ushanfo ene Felix ofosu Kwakye. Na bibi because I'm bruma journey mintias yeso. And the thing is that I don't know. Did somebody force NDC to present certain candidates for the election we had on 7th December? No, like tell me, Ebia, it can be says some people were forced to contest. Because if people were not forced to contest, especially for presidents and member of parliament, if some people in NDC were not forced to contest, then I don't get what is going on here. And I know, sir, there are a lot of Ghanaians like just like me who are as confused as I am. Why am I saying this? Since 7th December, after we voted and the results were announced, it looks as though our friends in the NDC, both for the people who were elected as president and vice president elect, and then their members of parliament, are already finding excuses for failing. They have not yet been sworn in. In fact, after you were sworn in, especially for the members of parliament, and already they are giving their constituent excuses. Nobody asked Felix Kwakye to contest for NDC primaries in his constituency. Right? Nobody asked him to go around campaigning to his constituents, say, Omu vote, Omu Bamana, he will do this and do that and do this. Nobody. Now suddenly they vote for you and you are granting interviews, say, and the first thing they say, as a member of parliament, you must represent your constituent. But the say, the government cannot reach everybody, so most of the time, they fall on the MP. Master, what are you talking about? And so, it's heading. So you, Felix, didn't know. Say, the first duty of an MP was to speak on behalf of your constituent at parliament. Is that what you told them when you were campaigning? Is that what you told them? Did you tell them, say, you are going to speak on their behalf, or you promise them water, you promise them boreholes, you promise them scholarships, you promise them to take them to school, you promise them to train them in apprenticeship?
To begin with, Maye Casamafwa, Menda, a copy of Bra, 84, Omusufreno, a bedua bayan. Na bidu oswa yetumi aye obi the person me no say e no kre amanfoka it is actually true the MPC nye development agent necessarily now the reality on the ground ne say aban ensa entumi nso krobia so Ghana ha it is a woni me yake any similar rural constituencies here because there's a huge gulf between the omuhia and they are buying to me at the moment. The sign into no, as we did that MP so. Say offer Akwenia Sasso. I shall say, Obey to me aboa, I'm or how about Kumi and said one, Obey to me as one now. It is beyond advocacy. The reality of the situation is say the golf award is a way to one more. I'm out for better.
That is what you promised them. And it is because of that they voted for you. And so no excuses. Just go ahead, do what you said, ensure that you have fulfilled your promises. What kind of promise and fail journey does NDC want to take Ghanaians on? What kind of 419 agenda are they pursuing? We will not agree to that. We are not accepting any excuses. No, neither are we accepting any blame games. There are several examples of MPs who have caused critical change in their constituencies. So if somebody has been able to do it, what prevents you as an NDC MP also of doing same? Wasn't Kennedy Japan an MP? Was the duty not to also speak on behalf of his people at Asin Central? Aside that, did he not employ people? Did he not create businesses to employ his constituents? Did he not lobby for some of his constituents to enter into the police, military service, immigration, prisons? Did he not? So, did he not give scholarship to some people with his own personal money to go and study abroad? Did he not guarantee for some people to get loans for their businesses? Let's take the example of the outgoing Minister of Education, Educhu. He single-handedly decided, say, ni pocket money, no, he was going to sponsor 100 engineers from his constituency in the university. And we saw them sponsoring 100 students all over. MPP MPs are making impact. You see, as a leader of the people, you must know how to lobby. You must know how to lobby. And sometimes lobbying is not just about lobbying the executive. As a leader of the people, you must learn to make friends among influential people. So that as an MP, Adamphobia or a businessman, you tell him, say, oh, come to my constituency. Come and build this factory there. Come and start this business there. I can help you maybe get a land from the chiefs for free. I can help you get tax clearance from the DC or MC. So that friend will come and start the business, and that business will employ your constituents. As an MP for an area, you can say, oh, they want to build hospitals. An NGO wants to build a hospital. They want to build an orphanage. Oh, I have land ready. I have bought land. I've invested into land. So I'm giving out my land for free. Just come and build it here in my constituency. So it can create job. It can create avenues for your constituents. I'm not the ones to come and give these ideas to Felix Kwakye Ofosu. Am I? And Felix has money. No one should say that Felix does not have. Felix has money. He has served in John Mohammed's first government. From 2013 to 2017, Felix was part. Even in opposition, he was taking salary because he was a special aide to John Dramani Mahama. So throughout the 8 years of NDC being in opposition, Felix was receiving salary. Only Joyce Bauer, they were receiving salary. They were receiving salary and allowances and some benefits. So what is Felix saying? Please, these interviews you are granted, and this goes to all our friends in the NDC. All these interviews we are seeing you grant, it won't change our mind about anything. We will not hear. In fact, like, don't even think about it. The earlier you get to work, the earlier you start doing what is required of you, the earlier you start fulfilling the promises you gave Ghanaians, the better for you. The better for you. Because look, we will be here. We will remind you of each and every one of your promises. If you promise a sanitary pad, we will remind you of them. If you promise this aeroplane, we will remind you of it. If you promise this what? A helicopter, we will remind you of it. And we will make sure that you fulfill your promises. Because you cannot take us for granted. We will not allow you to take us for granted any longer. Right? So if you know Felix Ofosu Kwakye, send this video to him. Let him know this is what we are saying. Let him know we are coming. And we are coming to ensure whatever he promised his constituent, he delivers on it. No excuses. Agenda, no excuses. This has been your favorite episode of the Political Rant right here on GCN TV page with me, The Voice. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.